Could you believe that I make this money just in 2 days? Just imagine when you do that in 1 week or even months. So please subscribe to my channel. Let's check it out. Hello everyone, my name is Frank and today I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money using your smartphone. You can imagine when you make money with your smartphone. I know that many of you will be like, oh my god, how do I make money using my smartphone? Today I'm going to show you, and it's very easy. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, because in this channel I'm going to show you different ways to make money online using your smartphone. That is great. So today I'm going to look at this. Go to the Play Store, download this app called Current. You can see it on your screen. Download the app, then log in with your PayPal account. Listen to music. You can make a lot of money by listening to music. Can you imagine that? That when you listen to music, you'll be earning money, and at the end of the day, week or month, you cash out, and wow, that's so good. So please everyone, sub to my channel. On my next video I'm going to show you many ways to make more money. Thank you.